Hello everyone, welcome to another Music Monday and titled Stop Writing Boring Tunes. I probably should have called it The Sentence Form, but that sounds a bit old-fashioned. Kind of is though. If you think back to last Monday's episode, the last bloke I spoke about, Arnold Schoenberg, he pretty much came up with this idea and pioneered it. It's a way of constructing a melody. That's all it is. So you come up with an idea and play it, then you repeat that idea, then you do some sort of continuation, change up the melody, and finish with a cadence which is less complicated. I'll show you an example in Logic. Okay, welcome to Logic. Now, this isn't supposed to be the best tune in the world, but it is a way to illustrate the sentence form to you. I just did this in 5 minutes. So I've come up with a melodic idea here, which goes like this. Simple, right? Then I've done exactly the same. I've just copied and pasted to get the second one. Third idea is more complicated. This is the continuation. So you look at the first melody that you've come up with and then extend it with some more movement, extra notes, and at the end a cadence. So generally this is going to be fewer notes. Okay, so I've got an entire melody that I can play here. Now, just because it's the same notes repeating doesn't mean you can't change the chords underneath. So that's what I've done with the left hand. You will notice that in the continuation, because it is the more exciting, the building up section, I've actually changed chords through that section. And for the ending, kept it nice and simple, following the main melody notes. But it has a cadence resolution from the F to the C. Just because this is a set of rules called the sentence form, it does not mean you can't do something like this. Maybe extend your continuation section, or maybe you don't want to repeat it, or you want to make it a shorter repeat, or the cadence needs to be longer. This is where you are making active choices, but what I'm doing is giving you a framework to start building on. It's not my idea, wish it was, and it can help you structure your tunes. Stop writing 8-bar loops that go over and over again, repeating the same melodic idea. Think of it in terms of these units of music, and I guarantee you will start coming up with even better tunes. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that useful and can go off and have a practice, because it really can improve your melody writing skills. Like and subscribe, always appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.